So, tonight we're going to change this blank white wall into some Rogue Painter branding.
Just watch me break it, I swear. You're falling into me, touch me, I swear. You would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I'm gonna make you sweat on me. I'm gonna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me more. There's nothing personal.
I'm happy with it. Gets us a bit of branding up for his videos again. It's a lot better than what we had on there before, which was just our SGS paint shop branding. We're doing some branding for the front of the booth to be similar as well.